Hey guys, Scott here. Today I'm going to go through everything you need to know before you purchase this Ninja Foodie Maker. I'll go through everything that comes with it, so let's jump into it. First off, it comes with a pretty cool 15 different recipes for your Ninja Foodie. This is for actually your smoothie bowl, which is right here. And it also comes with your user's manual as well. So one of the concepts that's a little bit different about the Ninja Foodie Maker is the fact that it's upside down, right? So what's pretty cool about this, instead of blending from the bottom here, what you do is you screw this lid on with your blade and you put it down here and you twist it on. I will tell you, two things come to mind with this. One is high quality and two is simplicity. So let's say I want to use the bowl and I'm going to make something like ice cream, right? From here, all I do is click bowl and then I click start. And they have this little tamper. You can hear that clicking and that helps to move stuff around that's really thick, especially if you're making ice cream. But it's literally that simple. When I'm done, I take this out and it's ready to go. So really cool feature there. Now, let's say I'm making a smoothie here. All I need to do, once again, is put all the ingredients in, and it also has the measuring right here. Once I do that, then all I need to do is look on the front right here, and you can see I can either extract or make a smoothie. For me, I use this to make smoothies the most. And when I'm done, I simply take it off, and I unscrew this, which is your blade, and now I put on my drinkable top, and it's ready to go. If I don't drink it all, or let's say I'm making some for the next couple days, then I have this lid here that actually will store everything. And for me, I like to make big portions and eat some now and some later. And these weren't quite big enough. You can also pick up the even larger cups. So I picked up 2 of those as well. That way I can definitely have enough, right? So let me go through a couple other things I really like. Watch this. Here, it'll stick down. It has these suction cups right here that'll help keep this in place because it is high power and you don't want some of them that slide across the counter or slide off the counter, right? So those suction cups are really nice. Make sure you lock the blade down. Also comes with a pretty decent sized power cord. If you want it shorter, of course, it has this Velcro right here, if you can see that. And then, of course, the fan out the back. And overall, I use this quite a bit to make smoothies. And it's also really nice. I don't like to eat the high-fat ice cream, so this can make a really good, using one of the menus in here, ice cream that's virtually fat-free. So really love that. Overall, I'm really happy with this purchase and I definitely would recommend it.